a spinaroo.
Doomfist Backfire?
Nice friendly name. Betty loves dogs. Or not. 17! It's Kibbles and Beans night! Oh boy, this stuff is the best! You said it.
Yeah, they kind of got a point. Them bears eat dogs for snacks. If your guys got caught up in this group, they're goners for sure.
Wrong again.